Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make beef nachos. Really tasty, so let's get started. Get out your frying pan. I'm going to heat about a tablespoon of oil. Just let that heat up. Now get one onion, chop it up fine finely, chuck it in there. So we'll cook this for like a couple of minutes. I've done 500 grams of ground beef. I'll cook this for about like 5 minutes or till the meat is completely brown. Then I'll quarter of a teaspoon of chili powder. About a teaspoon of cumin. And about 30 grams of nacho seasoning. That's about 1/3 cup. About a couple of tablespoons of ketchup. And a quarter of a cup of water. Now just turn it down to a simmer and simmer there for about 5 to 8 minutes until this is thickened.
Let me check.
Alrighty then, this is ready. Now just arrange with some corn chips on the plate, and what I want to do is put a little bit of cheese straight over the corn chips. Now get the meat. Pour over the top. And if you wish, you can even sprinkle some more cheese over the meat. Now put this in the oven at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit and just keep it in there for the cheese to be nicely melted. Now I'm just going to pour a little bit of salsa.
Did he say soul food? Salsa. Oh.
And there you go. Beef nachos. Perfect. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for beef nachos, as you can see. Oh, beautiful.
I know, honey.
Scrumptious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one for a new recipe. Peace out.